Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hold down the volume down button on the left side of the device and the sleep-wake button on the right side of the device at the same time. Now, hold the buttons for approximately 10 seconds until the screen goes dark and an Apple logo appears on the screen. Release the buttons and wait while your iPhone restarts. 1 November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen.
Take our lead.
To erase iPhone without passcode using iCloud, go to iCloud.com and enter your Apple ID and password. Or open the Find My Device app on another Apple device that uses the same Apple ID as the one you use on the locked iPhone. Locate and erase the device. Wait for the process to finish. The 13th of January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.